Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a RHEL system role, run a playbook with it, and troubleshoot the common role cannot be found error in Ansible-navigator. Let's get started. First, let's install the RHEL system role. You might be tempted to use the ansible-galaxy role install blah blah blah. It won't work because the RHEL system roles are not hosted on Ansible-Galaxy. Instead, you must use dnf install RHEL system roles. If you can't remember the role name, no problem. You can just use dnf search role to find the role name. Yeah, it's called RHEL system roles. Let's install it. I've already installed it, nothing to do, that's cool. Next, let's create a playbook. In this example, we'll use the SELinux system role to set SELinux to enforcing mode. Let's call the playbook SELinux YAML. Okay, now we need to find an example. You might be tempted to use Ansible doc to find the example, but it won't work because Ansible doc is to help you find usage of modules, not roles. So now let's put our thinking cap on where could examples be? Probably somewhere in the roles directory, right? But where are the roles installed? We can still use Ansible Galaxy to check the role list. So the RHEL system roles SELinux is in here. Let's enter this one. Okay, let's see. Linux. Okay, there's a README file here. Let's catch the README file. Examples. Okay, it says there's some examples in here. Let's see if we can view some examples. No, no such file or directory. Where is this SELinux playbook? No clue. Let's use find command to find it. Sudo find. Search everywhere. Name. Oh, cool. It's here. Found it. Kill the command. That's it. Okay, this is a complete playbook, but all we need is this bit. Copy and paste here. Don't forget to add rows, which is the same level as name host was. The row name, we already know it's called this. Roles, RHEL system roles, SELinux. We want to set a state to enforcing target, policy target. Okay. Now let's try to run the playbook using ansible-navigator. Ansible-navigator run and std out. Oh, it's complaining the role RHEL system roles.SELinux was not found in blah blah blah. Here home Ansible user share. It's broken, but it's trying to find that role and that user share Ansible, the folder where we see the README file, right? So let's double check that if it's there. Go to CD, user, share, Ansible roles. Yeah, you can see it's there. The why ansible-navigator complains it's not there. Okay, we need to understand this problem. Remember, ansible-navigator runs the playbook inside a container. That container actually doesn't have this part, user slash share slash ansible slash roles mounted from the host. We can verify. Let's enter into the container. Okay, we need to go back to the project directory. Ansible. Enter the container. List the roles under this directory. There is none. That's why Ansible Navigator complains. How to fix it? The easiest way is to copy the system role into the local project's roles directory. Exit the container. I've already created the role directory. It calls roles. Okay. Now let's copy, use -r recursively, everything under this folder to this roles directory. Let's check. CD roles. Yeah, it's there. So why does this work? Because Ansible Navigator automatically mounts the project directory into the container. We can verify again. Let's enter into the container. LSLA home sun Ansible roles. Yes, you can see the container can see these roles under the project directory. Let's run the command again. No hosts matched. That means something. Hosts all, right? Oh, okay. I need to go back. Always need to go back. Remember to go back to the Ansible project directory. Uh, yeah, run again. SELinux not found. I created the SELinux here. Okay, move SELinux. Okay. Now should be okay. Apart from setting the SELinux to enforcing mode, it also performs the tasks defined in this user role, in this SELinux role. It will take a while. Okay, it's done. Let's verify the outcome by running the ad hoc command ansible or a get enforce to check the SELinux mode. We should see, yeah, enforcing on all 5 nodes. Great, nice.
Nice.
So this is a common RHCE exam pitfall. Your roles might be installed on the host, but invisible inside the ansible-navigator container. You need to always make sure they are in your local roles folder or properly mapped in the configuration. Thank you for watching.